Why you should do this recipe if you are coming from a poor family? This recipe is something that will liberate you from poverty. If you are coming from a poor family, you should practice this recipe today so that you'll be liberated from poverty. So many people that come from a poor family, there are altars that is speaking against them. There are so many spiritual altars that is fighting against them. There are so many forces that don't want them to rise. And if you are not careful, you will end up being poor in life unless you are very, very strong and observant and careful to carry out spiritual assignment and spiritual work. That is the only time you can liberate yourself from that altars and those spirits. Okay. Sometimes these altars are something that is being laid by our ancestors, our forefathers, out of their ignorance. Okay. Now that altars is not speaking against their offspring, their children. Okay. That is why sometimes when you come in a family, you see grown-up men and women. None of them is doing well in their career. None of them is doing well in their jobs, their life, their relationship. Everything, nothing is working out. This is as a result of that evil altar that is speaking against them. That poverty will keep on circulating from their generation to generation. Okay, so if you find yourself in that categories of family, in that categories of people, what you should do is to carry out this spiritual assignment that I will share with you in this video. Okay, but if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Gideon, and by the special grace of God Almighty, I share spiritual tips here in the channel. So do well to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching, and you will never regret subscribing to this channel. Okay, so what you should do is to get an egg. Okay, just get an egg anywhere you are, whether you're in abroad, in Nigeria, whether you're a Muslim or Christian. Just get this with faith. Okay, get an egg. Speak a word over your life. Deliver yourself first. Speak a word over your life. Okay? Speak a word over your life that you are detaching yourself from anything evil or that is speaking against you from your family. Okay? With that egg. Now, after speaking with that egg, you are not going to break that egg with your right hand. You are going to drop that egg on the floor and break it with your left leg. March on it and break that egg with your left leg. Okay, this spiritual recipe is something that you will do for 5 good days with 5 different eggs. Okay, 5 good days with 5 different eggs. You are not going to do it at night, you are going to do it in the daytime. Okay, but make sure that you speak words, you speak words to detach yourself from that poverty that is going on in your family. Liberate yourself first. Okay, so that is what you can do to save yourself from that spirit of poverty, that altar that is speaking against the members of your family. That is how you can liberate yourself from that problem. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys. It's very simple, but you need to carry it out with faith. Okay, remember, without faith, it's impossible for you. If you're a Christian, it is impossible for you to see God, like the Bible said. Okay, before you see God, you need to believe that God exists as a Christian. Okay, so make sure that you carry out this spiritual assignment and you'll be free from anything that's speaking against your progress in life. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in today's video. If you have any question that you want to ask, you can use the comment section. I'll explain it more better for you. And if you need to buy any spiritual product from me, the link of my store is there. Okay, you can click on the link and it will direct you straight to my store. You can order the product that you want to purchase and it will be delivered to you. Okay, so make sure that you carry out this spiritual assignment and you will never regret doing so. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye.